Dolphins are incredibly social creatures that live in groups, known as pods. These pods can be made up of just a few dolphins or hundreds, and they communicate with each other in a variety of ways. One of the most interesting and unique forms of communication among dolphins is the use of signature whistles. These signature whistles are special sounds that function in much the same way as names do for humans. A signature whistle is a unique sound or pattern of sounds that is specific to each individual dolphin. It's something that dolphins learn as they grow, much like how human babies learn to respond to their names. When a dolphin is born, it doesn't immediately have a signature whistle. Instead, it begins to develop one as it interacts with its mother and other dolphins in the pod. The mother dolphin will usually create a whistle that she uses to get the attention of her calf, and over time, the calf will start to use a similar whistle that becomes its own unique sound. Just like how humans call out to each other by name, dolphins use their signature whistles to call and recognize each other. This is especially important in large groups, where it may be difficult to see or physically reach another dolphin. The whistle helps them communicate and make sure they are directing their message to the right individual. For example, if a dolphin wants to get the attention of a specific pod member, it can use that dolphin's unique signature whistle, and the other dolphins will know exactly who is being called. Signature whistles play a crucial role in the social life of dolphins. They are essential for maintaining relationships and bonds within a pod. Dolphins often use their signature whistles during playful activities, when they're hunting, or when they're in distress. If a dolphin is separated from the group, it may emit its signature whistle, hoping to attract the attention of its companions and reunite with them. These whistles are also used in communication between dolphins who are far apart, allowing them to stay connected even when they can't see each other. The ability of dolphins to have these individual whistles shows how advanced their communication system is. While many animals can make sounds, the fact that dolphins use unique, individualized whistles that can be recognized by others is a sign of how intelligent and socially complex they are. This is similar to how humans use names not just to identify each other, but also to convey a sense of personal identity and connection. It's not just about making a sound, it's about how that sound holds meaning and fosters social relationships. Scientists believe that dolphins are capable of understanding the meaning of their signature whistles in a way that goes beyond simply recognizing the sound. Research has shown that dolphins will respond to the signature whistle of another dolphin, even if that dolphin is not physically present. This suggests that dolphins have a strong sense of memory and can remember the unique sounds associated with other individuals in their pod. This ability to remember and respond to specific whistles means that dolphins are not just using sound for simple recognition. They are using it to maintain complex social structures and bonds. What's even more fascinating is that dolphins are not the only animals known to use something like a name. Some birds and elephants also use unique sounds to identify themselves or communicate with others. But in the case of dolphins, their signature whistles are particularly important because they are used throughout their entire lives. Once a dolphin develops its signature whistle, it will continue to use it as an adult, and other dolphins will continue to recognize and call them by that same sound. This long-lasting use of individual whistles makes dolphins' communication system even more impressive. The way dolphins develop their signature whistles is also a reflection of their social nature. Unlike many animals that might only have a few simple ways to communicate, dolphins seem to have a wide variety of calls and whistles, each serving a different purpose. Some calls are used for specific situations, like alerting others to danger, while the signature whistle is primarily for personal identification and social interaction. This shows that dolphins have a highly sophisticated way of communicating with each other, which is crucial for their survival and social cooperation. In conclusion, dolphins' signature whistles are an amazing example of how animals can use sound to form meaningful relationships and communicate in complex ways. These whistles are much more than just noises. They serve as the dolphins' way of identifying each other, and maintaining social bonds within their pods. They help dolphins stay connected, coordinate activities, and ensure that they can find each other when needed. Just as names are essential to human identity and communication, signature whistles are a fundamental part of dolphin social life. This unique form of communication highlights the intelligence and social complexity of dolphins, making them one of the most fascinating species in the animal kingdom.